Alright, welcome back to the Land Rover Discovery channel. Well, Land Rover Augusta fans channel. So, I don't know if you can see it, but you can see I have a major crack. I don't know how the hell that cracked, but I have a major crack. Looks like I got one major crack. I'm hoping I can seal that temporarily. And yeah, let's see if we can seal that. Alright, pretty self-explanatory. I am going to scuff pad it and carburetor clean it. Okay, so since I don't have a tripod right now, I'm just gonna show you what it looks like after scuff padding it. And you can see it's clean. There's not much more I can really do. It may crack even further. I'm hoping to prevent that for now. It's gonna be impossible to get a drill. I mean, I guess I could get a drill and tap a hole in there so it doesn't crack any further. But I don't think I'm gonna do that. So the next step is to apply some epoxy for now, and then I think I'm gonna tap right here. This groove here. I think I'm gonna tap a hole on the flat surface. On an angle through the crack to stop it from leaking from this edge, and then epoxy it. That's the plan. I know drilling into it is not my ideal solution, but this is the only way it's going to seal. Okay, so this is what I came up with, and this is the patch. Alright, so smooth it out a little bit more. So yeah, and might smooth it out a little bit more. That's what I got for right now. It's not pretty. Okay, guys. I am gonna attempt to film this. I made a tripod. I made it up against a box. Let's see what happens. I'll put this back on. Damn. It worked.
Okay, Land Rover fans. So I just wanted to recap everything today. So far, so good. I brought the disco up to temperature, and everything seemed to seal okay. It's not leaking, thank God. So I also ended up leaving off the oil filter adapter. I really don't need it for now. Um, I'm afraid to put it on because the way the crack is, it's kind of, you can tell the crack was made by torquing the bolts. So just over time, and it's old. Um, so I'll have to order a new front engine cover. I don't think repairing is the best option. Or, I mean, maybe steel. I mean, maybe aluminum welding. I don't have any of those materials or equipment to do so. I found a front engine cover brand new for $300 online, so I'm probably going to do that. Obviously, this is a temporary fix. I just don't want oil leaking when I have to move the vehicle. I have other cars, so I have to, sometimes I have to move them around. And so hopefully it'll last a few months, no more than that. I made a huge stain on my garage floor, so I really don't want any more stains. I'm still trying to figure out how to get that cleaned up. If anybody has any suggestions, I've already used cat litter. I've already used some baking soda. I've already put some dish soap on it and scrubbed it out, but it's still got a stain, so I think it's there for good. So I usually put down cardboard before I work on any vehicle, but this was supposed to be a very easy repair, and the crack was never supposed to happen. So, oh well, maybe next time. But just make sure you do your due diligence and torque your bolts down to spec, which I did. I'm not sure why. I think it was the Jeep O-ring which made the failure, and maybe it was too thick. I'm honestly not sure why. But anyway, that'll wrap her up. Please make sure to comment, share, like, subscribe. Hey, I've got a link below. Send me some beer money, and I might have a wish list. You could also donate to PayPal. I have that as well. That's actually going to help me get new camera gear, put out more material, put out more videos, put out more content. I just do this part time, so I really appreciate it. I might even have an Amazon wish list. I don't know, on a PO box eventually. But so if you could graciously donate, that'd be great. If not, no biggie. I'll still try to produce content, and I'll be getting better and better as time goes on. Anyway, so have a good one. We'll see you on the next one.